Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, I have something that is cheaper than Fina's license. Zephyrus Duo, the price is more than 2 with 3 zeros at the back. Specs so crazy, out of whack. The laptop's 4K, how basic. I got a touch screen to make you brain sick. RGB all night long, cause Bangsawan's never wrong. Wow, huh? 20,000 bro, man. Tunggu apa lagi? Ini kali lah, bro. Don't see I so round. My Chinese Kung Fu quite power one. Just like this laptop, it's actually very power with all its black box. Inside, first and foremost, you will find 2 power bricks, one 240 watts for those that like it thick, and then there's a smaller one, 65 watt for Type-C power delivery. As if that's not power enough, they won't give you something free because even rich people like it free. And this is the ROG Gladius 2 RGB mouse with gunmetal because rich people also like to play with guns. And he has on-round switches up to 50 million click durability, more money than you'll ever make in your lifetime, and 12,000 dpi sensor because you are sensor. Give me a slow clap while I take off this plastic wrap. Scrap that, dead brats. Only can afford this ROG laptop for aristocrats. Now it is time to open this very Bangsawan box. You just gently pull. And there's another one. The triangle actually match up. How OCD are they with their packaging? Wow, look at the envelope, also got a triangle. Wow. Republic of gamers, more like Republic of gentlemen, because this laptop is not made for those rough old gamers. You see how this box so big, but inside only got 3 pieces of paper. This one, no need. This one also, no need. But this one, you keep, cause got game, like me. Now it is time for the main dish, crawfish, confirm in your wish list. ROG Zephyrus Duo 15. The Zephyrus Duo 15 comes with a 15.6-inch IPS panel. Got 2 types, DOS, a creator version which is a 4K IPS 60Hz panel with 100% Adobe RGB, Pantone validated and G-Sync. Then we have the gamer version which is a 1080p 300Hz 3ms 100% sRGB panel, also with Pantone and G-Sync. Wow, so fast the refresh rate your KD can support or not. But you know what? The secret sauce, endgame boss, matte, not gloss, is that second display which is 14.1 inch, very naughty, 3840 x 1100 touchscreen. You can use it for your Premiere Pro lah, secretly watch prawn while you pretend to work lah, your business ma. You can afford a 20k laptop, who can judge you? But seriously, this one damn power, more super than Super Saiyan, more bulk than Hulk, more mighty than All Might, more punny than me. You wish. The keyboard is also no slouch. You have this very sleek backlit chiclet keyboard with purgy RGB. By the way, chiclet is actually derived from the shape of a brand of chewing gum. See? Don't say Abam Shame didn't teach you anything that your mother no teach. The audio for this laptop is also very impressive. With the ESS Saber hi-fi deck and a pair of 4-watt speakers with Smart M technology, you can kacau your neighbor all night by listening to Saber play with her Excalibur very clearly. Finally, let's talk about specs. For the CPU, we have the i9-10980HK with 8 cores and 16 threads, so threatening, with a 2.4 GHz base clock and 5.3 GHz boost clock. The GPU is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 Super with 8GB of GDDR6. For the RAM, you can go up to 48GB of DDR4 rated at a 200MHz and a storage of 2TB of SSD in a RAID 0 configuration. Wow, like this you can definitely edit 4K videos on this laptop with ease. So please, don't tease. Go buy this Taiwanese masterpiece! If you are creative like me, the second screen is actually quite useful to help you stay pro in Premiere Pro, especially for displaying your timeline and such. And it can also help you maximize in 3ds Max, make you kaya in Maya, help you auto in AutoCAD. You can definitely game on this laptop for sure. And if you are famous like me with a lot of followers, you can even use the touchscreen to touch their hearts in chat and have a handle on your stream controls. Some games will let you put in-game menus such as inventory and mission management into this screen, so you can fully immerse yourself into the game. You can even look at build or skill guides when playing MOBA, if you are a noob lah. Now for the part that only nerds like me will care about, which is firstly the network. We have the 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. As for the holes, this time I wait for you lah, since last time you complained. The left side we have the power connector, one 3.5 mm microphone in jack, and one more 3.5 mm microphone in headphone out jack. For the right side, because I'm your Mr. Right, we have one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort 1.4 and Thunderbolt 3 and power delivery. And also we got two very normal USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports. At the back side, because I like the belakang mari, we have one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, one HDMI 2.0B, and one RJ45 Ethernet port. Because we all know that Ethernet is still the most stable connection. The Republic of Gamers Zephyrus Duo 15 gaming and creator laptop is priced at only 19,999 or 20,000 ringgit. So cheap buy! Not cheap man, can't even buy a car what? If you thought this video is awesome, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow but don't stalk us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you too can be awesome and Bangsawan like me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, Later I upload video you don't know.